wheel. Okay, what do I do? What do I do?
Go straight. Good job.
Am I doing a good job, or you just...
Yeah, you're going straight.
I actually cannot see. I'm not tall enough to fly an airplane.
I'm here riding just south of Milwaukee with my fiance Dan, with whom I run a digital marketing agency. We set our own hours. We work remotely for most of our clients. And so today we decided to shake it up a little bit, go for a ride, and then take a little jaunt to Madison, as you'll see very shortly, with a little bit of a twist. Today I've got on the Longines. What's it called? The Longines
Record.
Oh yeah, the Longines Record.
The vintage scooter.
Yeah, vintage scooter.
I think there's another universe where I haven't yet felt pain, and maybe in that other universe I'm a flower and you're the rain. I think somewhere in a different life I'm still 7 in 2nd grade, and I'm so happy that I feel alright, and that I haven't met my brain.
739 of Papa, we are VFR to Madison, Mike Sierra, November at 4,500. We have information, Mike, Cessna 172. If you get sick, let me know. We can always stop and go down.
I'm a little nervous.
Yep, that's all right. I would be too. If I were you. Milwaukee ground, Cessna 739 Alpha Papa at signature, ready to taxi.
We're 739 Alpha Papa, Milwaukee ground, runway 19 right, taxi by a Foxtrot.
19 right via Foxtrot, 9 Alpha Papa.
Skyhawk 739 Alpha Papa, Milwaukee Tower, you ready to go?
All set, 9 Alpha Papa.
Southwest 4347, traffic, Skyhawk departing.
So he's telling me,
Thank you.
Keep going. Because there is a guy on the final.
4347, affirmative, 19 right, clear to land.
19 right, clear line, 4347, thank you.
You ready?
Yeah.
And maybe somewhere in a different world
We are looking good.
my mom's a bug
We're
inside
in the
a tree. My dad's the scientist who captured her, but now it's time to set her free.
And we are up.
Or maybe somehow in this skull of mine I find it hard to see the truth.
Deep breath.
Alright, now we are right to 270.
Wake up. I love you.
What?
I was telling the thing to wake up. I was saying, I love you.
Love you too, baby. 270, so we're on a good heading. What we have to do now is let's put in our destination.
I'm slightly nervous. Yeah.
As long as you're not sick, everything's good.
Yeah, my tummy's on edge, but it's not full-on nauseated.
That's good. It's not that bumpy.
Yeah,
It's a little warm, hey?
I am warm, yeah.
No AC in here. But air comes out of here. That's your airflow.
9 Papa, we can proceed on course, Madison.
On course, thank you, 90 Papa.
I think I can make it.
I'm sure you can. I believe in you.
Yeah.
All right.
I'm so brave, by the way.
Yeah, I mean, it's scary.
170 knots over grid.
Especially if you don't understand what's going on. All right, we got 1,000 more feet to go.
315, turn
Oh
right
my
into
gosh,
two.
we're still going up.
We're still going up.
Couldn't be schizophrenic in the flag. You wouldn't know if someone was really talking to you or not, because you could get like a schizophrenic hallucination.
Probably.
Yeah. I don't know why I'm thinking about that.
I don't know.
I'll just count pools.
315, turn left, take 280 to set, maintain 2,800.
Empty pools.
Empty pool.
Yep, this is it. Now we just sit.
All that excitement. Hurry up and wait.
That's the fun, yeah. That's the fun. Now this is just the enjoy the scenery and find out where we are.
Should I take a nap?
Yep,
So what do those pedals?
left and right. Yep,
I just want to push all those buttons.
do it.
Yeah, what did it flap? Oh, light.
Those are the circuit breakers.
Oh, I see.
So they'll pop out if we get a short.
You.
So you can't even push them. Yep.
They're
already pushed in.
Haven't learned so
You
much.
can press these buttons.
Oh. Those are switches.
Okay, they're switches.
I didn't think about my statement lip getting in the way of the hike.
Number 572 Delta Golf, Milwaukee departure, identical and maintain 7,000.
I feel bad for women.
Other aircraft call, Milwaukee, unanswered.
See where we
Pacer
are?
11, roger. Proceed direct to Warrior, descend and maintain 5,000.
What?
Find runway 21.
Resolution is so low. Oh,
Pacer 11, can you accept
This-
the overhead
this
of
one.
runway
Yep.
18?
So
The wind's
we're
180 at 14.
So 210 is south, southwest. See how that's 18? That's perfectly
Pacer
south.
11, flight.
North, south, east, west, right?
yeah.
So 21 is the magnetic heading for
Pacer
southwest.
11, flight present
I-
heading and descend and maintain 4,000.
So we are left base, so we're going to turn left and come down 21. That's what he wants us to do.
Okay, that's in like 20 minutes.
Whenever we get there.
Pacer 11, flight, report Madison in sight.
I feel like short because I actually can't see anything. I can't see anything but the sky.
Well, how are you going to land this plane?
Ah, I need a booster. In a way, this is a great way of capturing my audio because it filters out when I just fucking trail off or laugh.
Yes. Yeah.
Hey.
Useless sentences disappear.
Yeah.
170.
Tower, Cessna 905, 787, holding short 21, ready for departure.
The 787 Madison Tower, hold short 21 and reset your transponder, squawk 7260.
That's our squawk. 5356.
Hold short 21, squawk 7260, Cessna 787.
That's like your call. Wait.
That's the call sign, so they know who we are.
Okay,
It comes
that's
up on
what I
their radar.
Sorry, can you please repeat?
Did you want touch and goes, stop and goes, what do you want?
We want touch and goes, 1400.
What do you want?
1400, make sure you say that when you check on, runway 18, clear touch and go.
Don't waste my fucking
touch and
time.
goes, that's not 1400.
All right, we're looking good, baby. Looking real good. Another notch of flaps. Are your ears popping?
Yeah, I keep yawning. Hotter down here.
Yeah, it is. All right, here we are. That's what you call a perfect landing, darling.
He's just like hollering. He had his little wings open. You scared him.
Sorry, I'm in an airplane.
Why did he stay there? Hey, are you okay? I'm sorry, bud. I won't bother you, but this is a terrible place to do that.
Well, that's cute. It's all like their plane terms. The propeller, the leading edge.
That sausage has some like funk on it. It probably has like some cumin. It's got like a good smell.
Nobody makes these.
Yeah, why
With
is that?
hash browns. Nobody. This is it. This is the place?
I'll have a diet. Diet Pepsi, okay? Yeah, that's fine.
Candy colored skies, dilated eyes, parked along.
What?
I said, what if I did take the wheel?
I don't know, you can.
Jesus, take the wheel. Hey, what do I do? What do I do?
Go straight. Good job.
Am I doing a good job, or you just...
Yeah, you're going straight.
Okay, well.
That's the airport right there.
I actually cannot see. I'm not tall enough to fly an airplane. No, you have the perfect body type for it. Long torso. Oh my gosh, baby. Yeah, you'll just have to tell me. I just have to vibe it out.
Nope, you're doing good.
Please
You gotta go to the airport on the left side of the airport.